Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone model and OS settings match. This avoids missing features. Next, open the Contacts or Phone app and find the contact you'll change. Once located, tap Edit immediately. Make sure you have the full resolution image in Photos or Files to avoid pixelation. If the contact is linked to an account, pick the correct linked entry. This gets you into the editing flow and ensures the image can become a full-screen color photo without quality loss. Now you choose Add Photo or Edit Photo and pick Select Photo or Browse. This places the image on the contact card. Once loaded, use pinch to zoom and drag to fill the crop area. Aim for 16:9 or device native crop so the face occupies most of the screen. After adjusting, confirm Save to Contact. Then, make sure Phone app caller ID settings are set to show full-screen photos rather than small icons, because that controls how the image appears during calls. Finish by placing a test call to confirm the image shows full screen. This verifies the crop and settings work. If the photo appears small or cropped incorrectly, check that the contact isn't linked to multiple accounts. Use a larger image file, over 1 MB, so scaling looks sharp, and confirm caller ID is set to full screen. Once done, restart the phone and resave the contact if problems persist. That often forces the system to refresh cached images and fixes lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.